नमोस्तुते दीपज्योतिर्परब्रह्म दीपज्योतिर्जनार्दनः दीपज्योतिर्परब्रह्म दीपज्योतिर्जनार्दनः दीपो हरतु मे पापम् दीपनमोस्तुते शुभं कुरु त्वं कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः 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 शत्रुबुद्धि विनाशाय दीपज्योतिर्नमोस्तुते दीपज्योतिर्नमोस्तुते.
Our children are the beginning. They are the foundation of our nation. So it's my very urging you, request you and encouraging you, or you can find the motivation that you are the people in the future. You have to rule our India. You have to rule our India. That's why one wise person, he said that if you want to find, to see your country, to find your future of your country, means you have to go and see one school. And the children, what they are doing, and they are the future of the country. The same thing, our children, if the children is very much active in the sports, cricket, high jump, long jump, means in the future he is going to be he's going to bring the awards, he's going to make the proud to the nation. The same thing, if the children have creativity ideas, scientific knowledge and scientific ideas, then he can make so many innovation. So why? Because it's the children. That's why we celebrate the Children Day, to motivate you. That's why our first Prime Minister of India, Jawaharlal Nehru, his name is not Jawaharlal Nehru. He started his name with the Pandit. Pandit means what? The meaning of Pandit means the person having the wisdom. That's why he is the teach the student to holistic knowledge, so that children can create. Because when the British people they gave to the India to their hands, the Indian treasury was completely empty. 0 rupees was there. But he is the person, he is the ideas. Not only he, there are so many peoples. They are collective ideas that build our nation. Today see, our nation not depending to other nations. Rather our India is the, other country they are depending. So that's, I encouraging to all my children. And everybody, those are here. You are the future leaders. You are the future IPS officer. You are the future scientists. And you are the future teachers. Your life, there is nothing without the teacher, without the guardians. Right? That's why you are the future children.
పొన్నారి బంగారు కన్నా అల్లారు ముద్దంటి ఓ పూచి కన్నా ఆ చందమామ దిగి వచ్చినమ్మ నీ రూపాన కన్నా చిన్నారి పొన్నారి బంగారు కన్నా అల్లారు ముద్దంటి ఓ పూచి కన్నా సిరి సిరి వెన్నెలలన్నీ మిలమిల వన్నెల సుధని చిలికిన తెల్లని నవ్వు నువ్వు నీ చిరునవ్వుల తోట చిలిపి వెయ్యేళ్ళు నన్ను చూడనివ్వు. అమ్మా అంటుంటే హృదయం ఉప్పొంగి ప్రాణం ఉయ్యాలలో పిండి నిన్ను. నువ్వే నిదురించా నిన్నే లాలిస్తూ నీకే జోలాలి పాడాలి నేను. అమ్మా అమ్మా ఈ అంజనమ్మ శ్రీమత్ శ్రీమత్ హనుమంతుడమ్మ. ఓ జన్మ ఫలమా మా తీపి వరమా ఇక నేను నీ చేతి బొమ్మ. బుడిబుడి అడుగుల బుడతావు అంటూ పొగడాలి ఈ లోకమంతా. నీ అల్లరంతా కళ్ళరకంటూ నే మురిసిపోతూనే ఉంటా. ఈ చిట్టి పొట్టి హనుమంతుడికి రవితేజ నానారు అంట. నానారిలోని ఆమంత
Go. Happy Children's Day, sir.
Happy Children's Day. Happy Children's Day. Happy Children's Day.
Go, go. Say Happy Children's Day. Happy Children's Day.
Thank you, sir.
Who is coming? Say Happy Children's Day. Happy Children's Day.
Thank you, sir.
Happy Children's Day to everybody. Happy Children's Day.
Thank you, sir.
Happy Children's Day. Hi. Happy Children's Day. Happy Children's Day.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Naxus is very happy today. Hey, form straight line. Form straight line. Hello, hi, good morning. So welcome to Idama School. Our Children's Day celebration.
మీరు కాదు అమ్మాయిలు మాత్రమే.